Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday. So exciting. Tomorrow's Friday. Today is Thursday. Everybody needs to say, today is Thursday. The month is April. And it is Thursday, April 16th. And it is sunny. Woohoo! And it's actually going to be warm today. So we're going to get dressed. Yay! It's going to be almost 70 degrees today. So we should probably wear some pants and a t-shirt. And we'll be styling for the day. Since it's going to be sunny, you might want to wear a hat. Or no hat. We'll go with hat. And I don't think we're going to need any accessories. And just in case we get chilly, we can take just a jean jacket. So, today's weather, Thursday, April 16th, sunny and warm. It'll be kind of cold in the mornings, but it'll warm up to where it'll be nice and comfy. You guys don't forget to log into Canvas and watch the videos and do the rest of the work. Have a great day.